Hello guys, Valor Reviews here, and I have good news. My favorite PDF reader and editor, PDF Element, has just been updated, and now it comes to a new user interface that makes it easier to use and it's faster. How fast? Well, it's 3 times faster in opening, converting, and editing PDF document compared with the previous version, and it's not like the previous version was slow. The new update also gives you 100GB of cloud storage. That's a lot. And you can add electronic signatures to documents that are legally binding. Hands down, PDF Element is one of the best PDF editors out there, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit PDF documents, convert PDF documents to various formats, and other interesting features. So sit back, relax, and let me head over to my computer over there. Now, PDF Element is available on Android, ISO, Mac and PC. For mobile, you can find it on the various app stores, and for Mac and PC, head over to PDF Element website, go down to the download section and download the app. I'll be focusing on the PC version, so let's go ahead and launch the app. Now check out this new user interface, and this is how the old one looks like. The new user interface is minimalistic and clean. Okay, now let's open a new PDF document, and to do that you can click on the PDF document or click on open file, select the document and click open. Now let me show you how to edit PDF documents, and to do that click on edit at the top, click on the text you want to change, and that's it. On the right side you can change the font, change the color and size of the text just like you would on MS Word. You can also change the alignment, and as you can see, it's pretty easy and intuitive. If you know how to use MS Word, you're going to feel right at home using PDF Elements. You can also add images to a PDF document, add a watermark. For watermark though, it's a little bit tricky. You can choose where you want the watermark to be and adjust the size. To make the image transparent, all you have to do is click on this button, and now you can change the angle of the watermark and the opacity. You can also change the color of the background, add header, footer, and Bates numbering. Now let's say you want to convert a PDF document to, let's say, MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, JPEG, EPUB, RTF, and HTML file. Well, it's pretty easy to do. Just click on Convert at the top, click on where you want the file to be saved, and you're done. The conversion is fast and it retains the quality of the original file. Now under the Tool tab, you can combine multiple PDF documents into a single PDF file. That's a very cool feature. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition, and it allows you to copy, edit, and even search for a text on a picture. Now I took a picture of the back of a smartphone pack and sent it to my email, downloaded it to my laptop, and now let's open up the file using PDF Element. Let's rotate the image, and now thanks to OCR, I can edit the text on the image. Without OCR, you won't be able to do this. Now with PDF Element, you can create a fillable PDF form that allows users the ability to fill and enter text to a form without any fancy PDF editor or reader. Let me show you what I mean. Let me open this file. And now I can add a text field here. You can also increase and reduce the text field. And if you want to change the font size and color, double click on the text field, go to Appearance, and you can do that right there. You can also add a checkbox and add digital signature. Creating a digital signature is pretty easy to do. And all you have to do is click on Sign Documents, click on where you want to place the digital signature, click on New ID, click on Next again, enter my name, enter my email address, Valor Reviews, and click on Sign. So a password is required to use your digital signature, so you have to enter your password. Under Protect, you can add a redaction if you want to hide words in a PDF document. Let me show you how to do that real quick. So all you have to do is click Mark for Redaction, highlight the text that I want to hide, click on Apply Redaction, click on Continue, and that's it. Done. Remember when I said you have up to 100GB of cloud storage? Well, let me show you how to access it. All you have to do is click on File, click on Share, click on Wondershare Cloud, and upload the document. Good luck finishing 100GB of cloud storage. So guys, you've seen how easy it is to edit PDF documents. You've also seen how to convert PDF files to various file formats. You've seen how to make fillable forms and add a digital signature. If you work with a lot of PDF documents, you need PDF Element in your life. PDF Element is also offering 60% off, and you should take advantage of that promo. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope someone out there found this video to be useful. Please hit on that like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, Valor Reviews, and I will see you guys in the next one. Valor, signing out.